Tonight we are doing fractions. Now I believe you have idea of fractions before, but since we don't want to skip any part of the syllabus, we have to touch everything even though you have idea. So now, in fraction, what is fraction? When a number divides another number, then the number is said to be in fraction. So the up number is called numerator, while the down one is called denominator. Now, when the numerator is less than the denominator, the number is said to be a proper fraction. Examples are 3 over 5, 7 over 9, 10 over 15. What do you notice in all these numbers? The numerator is less than denominator. Then all these fractions are proper fraction. Now we also have improper fraction. When the denominator or when the numerator is more than the denominator, then it is an improper fraction. For example, if I have 3 over 2, 7 over 4, 10 over 5, 11 over 8, all these numbers, they are improper fraction. Why? Because the numerator is more than the denominator, meaning it is not proper for 2 to carry 3, because 3 is bigger than 2. So if 2 now carry 3 is abnormal, so it is improper. So just like small boy carry big man, so now 4 cannot carry 4, it is improper. So these ones are improper fraction when the numerator is bigger than denominator. Now we can have mixed fraction from all these numbers. Now mixed fraction is a combination of a whole number and a proper fraction. For example, 3 over 2 now. 3 over 2, how many 2 can you say in 3? That is 1. That is one whole number, 1 over 2. Again, how many 2 can you say in 3? 1. So remainder 1 divided by 2, comma, then 4 in 7 again. That is 2 whole number, then 1 whole number, 3 over 4. Meaning how many 4 can you say in 7? 1. Remainder 3 over 4. Now how many 5 can you say in 10? That one is 2. So that is a whole number. So how many 8 can you see in 11? 1. Remainder 3 over 8. So also 2 whole number, 7 over 10. So now all these numbers are called mixed fraction. Mixed fraction because you have a whole number and a proper fraction. Whole number, proper fraction. Whole number, proper fraction. So anytime you have combination of a whole number and a proper fraction, then the number is said to be a mixed fraction. Now the next one we'll just consider is addition and subtraction of a fraction. Addition and subtraction of a fraction. So I believe you have little idea, so we just want to touch. So addition and subtraction of a fraction. So now let's say we want to simplify 2 over 3 plus 1 over 4. So now to simplify this, the first thing is you find the LCM. What is the LCM? So LCM of 3 and 4, meaning the lowest common multiple of 3 and 4, lowest common multiple of 3 and 4. What is common to both 3 and 4? Which is lowest? Is what? 12. Meaning if I have 3 here, what are the multiples of 3? So tell me all the multiples of 3. That will be 3 times 1, 3. 3 times 2, 6. 3 times 3, 9. 3 times 4, 12. 3 times 5, 15. 3 times 6, 18. As in like that. Now what of 4? As in because we have 3 and 4. What of 4? What are the lowest common multiples? What are the multiples of 4? Meaning numbers that you multiply that you get 4. 4 times 1, 4. 4 times 2, 8. 4 times 3 12, 4 times 4 16, 4 times 5 20, 4 times 6 24, like that. Now look at all the multiples of 3. Also look at all the multiples of 8. Which one do you see is common? Is 12. So that means the lowest common multiple. Now as we proceed, there are still numbers that can be common, but the one that we can see first which is common to both is 12, and that should be the lowest common. So that means the LCM, lowest common multiples of 3 and 4, is 12. So that means the LCM of 3 and 4 is 12. Or if the number is just a single number, just say 3 times 4 direct, it will give you 12. So that is the lowest common multiple. So 3 times 4 12, or you do it that way. So now in this case, how many 3 can you see in 12? So meaning this 3 now, how many of these can you see in 12? 4. So that 4 times the number up, 4 times 2, that will be 8, plus how many 4 can you see in 12? 3. That 3 times 1, that is 3. Now 8 plus 3, that is 11 over 12. Now this is a proper fraction because the denominator is bigger than numerator. It's possible for 12 to carry 11. So this is a proper fraction. That is the answer. So that means we have simplified. Now another way to do this is 2 over 3 plus 1 over 4. Now to do this, multiply, see the way we cross it, or see the way I cross. 4 times 2 8, plus, see the way I cross it, or 3 times 1 3, divided by 3 times 4 12. So that is 11 over 12. Just master the way I cross it. So like that. So let's proceed. So another one is, let's say we have 4 whole number 1 over 2 plus 3 whole number 3 over 4. Now we want to add this together. The first thing is what? Change everything to improper fraction. So that will be 4 times 2 8, plus 1, as in this 4 times 2 8, then plus the 1 on top, that is 9. So 4 times 2 8, plus 1 9, that is 9 over 2, plus 3 times 4 12, plus 3 15. So plus 15 over 4. So that's how you can change a mixed fraction to improper fraction. I believe you have idea. Again, 4 times 2 8, plus 1 9 over 2. 3 times 4 12, plus 3 15 over 4. So LCM is what? 4. Now how many 2 can you see in 4? 2. Then 2 times 9, that will be 18, plus how many 4 can you see in 4? 1. 1 times 15, that is 15. Now 18 plus 15, that is 33, divided by 4. Now how many 4? This is improper. How many 4 can you see in 33? 4 times 7 is 28. 4 times 8 is 32. That means it will go 8 whole number, remainder 1 over 4. So that is the answer. So your primary school method, you have 4 whole number 1 over 2, plus 3 whole number 3 over 4. So your primary school method, 4 plus 3 7. So you now have LCM of 2 and 4, that will be 4. Then you have 2 plus 3, so that will be 7 whole number 5 over 4. So that will be 7 whole number plus 1 whole number 1 over 4. 7 plus 1 8 whole number 1 over 4. But normal it's better if you change everything first to improper then find the LCM. Or you can also say this times this divided by this times this, you still get the same answer. So now let's proceed. Now the same thing I'm doing for addition is the same thing you will do for subtraction. So let's say you have 3 whole number 1 over 2 minus 1 whole number 1 over 3. So the first thing, change everything to improper fraction. 3 times 2 6 plus 1 7 over 2 minus 1 times 3 3 plus 1 4 over 3. Now what's the LCM? LCM is 6. 2 times 3 is 6. So now 2 in 6, that will be 3. 3 times 7 21 minus 3 in 6 2. 2 times 4 8. Now 21 minus 8. So subtract. So you get so you should get 13. 13 divided by 6. How many 6 can you see in 13? 1. 2 times 2 12. Remainder 1 over 6. Now the same thing we do for addition, the same thing you do for subtraction. That is addition and subtraction. Now we can add more to the question now. So we can combine both addition and subtraction. Now no knowledge is assumed to maybe you know it before. Yeah. What we are trying to do is that you don't know anything for now. So we need to touch everything. So now we have 2 whole number 1 over 2 plus 3 whole number 1 over 4 minus 1 whole number 1 over 2. So we can combine both addition and subtraction. First thing, change everything to improper. 2 times 2 4 plus 1 5 over 2 plus 3 times 4 12 plus 1 13 over 4 minus 1 times 2 2 plus 1 3 over 2. 3 over 2. So now this will be LCM of everything is 4. So now 2 in 4 2. 2 times 5 10 plus 2 in 4 in 4 1. 1 times 13 13. 2 in 4 2. 2 times 3 6. As I say, LCM of everything is 4. Now what are the multiples of 2? 2 times 1 2. 2 times 2 4. 2 times 3 6. 2 times 4 8, like that. What are the multiples of 4? 4 times 1 4. 4 times 2 8. 4 times 3 12. What are the multiples of 2 again? 2 times 1 2. 2 times 2 4. 2 times 3 6. 2 times 4 8. Look at all the multiples. The lowest common multiples is 4. That means the LCM is 4, as in like that. Now this will be 10 plus 13 23. Then 23 minus 6. So that will be 17. So that means you have 17 divided by 4. How many 4 can you see in 17? 4 times 4 is 16. Remainder 1 over 4. So that is the answer. So now that is addition and subtraction. Now let's see multiplication and division. Then we'll now talk about board mass. Yeah, multiplication and division now. The same way. So we are still going to do the same thing. So now if it is multiplication, for multiplication of fraction, so if we have 3 whole number 1 over 2 minus 1 whole number 1 over times 1 whole number 1 over 2. First thing, change everything to improper fraction. 3 times 2 6 plus 1 7 over 2 times 1 times 2 2 plus 1 3 over 2. So this will be LCM. Here now LCM abi, it say 4. So if you go and do LCM here, it's wahala. So now you don't do LCM in multiplication. So we don't do LCM in multiplication. Instead, you multiply the up one with the up one, the down one with the down one. So we are going to get what? 7 times 3, that is 21. Divided by 2 times 2, that is 4. How many 4 can you see in 21? 4 times 4, 16. So remainder, 4 times 5 is 20. That is 5 whole number 1 over 4. Like that. That means in multiplication and division, you don't find the LCM. Take notes. So let's say I have 7 over 2 times 1 over 3 times 2 over 4 times 1 over 2. So now to do this, you don't find LCM. What you will do is what? You multiply all the numerator and you multiply all the denominator. So now to multiply all numerator, 7 times 1 times 2 times 1. So 7 times 1, 7. Another thing is that if anything can cancel out, you are free to cancel out this way. So in this case, you can say 2 can go here, so you are free to cancel. This is times. So you can now say 7 times 1, 7 times 1 again, 7 over 2 times 3, 6 times 4, 24. So answer. This is proper because 24 is bigger than 7. So now that is multiplication. Now let's say division. Now to do division, so we are going to say 1 whole number 1 over 2 divided by 3 whole number 2 over 3. So now change everything to improper first. 1 times 2, 2 plus 1, that is 3 over 2 divided by 3 times 3, 9 plus 2, 11 over 3. Now for division, you must change division first to times. So but anytime division change to times, then the denominator here will go up while the numerator will come down. Please take notes. So anytime division change to times, this will go up, the other one will come down. So 3 times 3, 9. 2 times 11, 22. Answer. So that is division of fraction. So again, let's say you have 5 over 6 divided by 7 over 4. First thing is what? Division will change to times. The down one will go up while the up one will come down. So you can reduce, remember, 2 here 2, 2 here 3. So that means I now have 5 times 2, 10 divided by 3 times 7, 21. Answer. So note that if you have something like this, you cannot cancel like this, so you can only cancel like this. So please take notes. Now we are through with addition and subtraction, multiplication and division. So now try all this one. Simplify. Simplify the following. So if you simplify the following here, number 1, 2 number 1 over 2, 1 number 1 over 4, 3 number 2 over 3, number 2, 5 number 1 over 4 times 3 number 1 over 2 times 7 over 4, number 3, 2 number 1 over 3 divided by 4 number 1 over 2, number 5, 1 number 1 over 2 minus 3 over 2. Now just, we know we have idea of fraction. Now just solve all this, then we can now move to board mass. Now fractions still have upgrade though, but we are moving, so move to board mass.